Hello, everyone, my name is Ji-Eun Lee. Today, we will discuss robotic-assisted total knee arthroplasty, TKA. Over the past decade, TKA has grown significantly in popularity as an alternative to conventional TKA. Robotic-assisted TKA has introduced some unique complications we don't typically see with conventional TKA. One particular area of concern is related to the pins used to mount the robotic tracking system. These pin insertion sites can become potential sites for complications, including infection and fractures. Now, let me share a specific case with you, a fracture through the tracking pin sites following a robotic-assisted TKA. Diagnosing this complication is relatively straightforward. You will typically see a transverse fracture along the pin insertion site. Several risk factors contribute to fractures related to navigation pins, including multiple placement attempts, transcortical pin trajectory, pin diameter greater than 4 mm, diaphysial placement. In addition to fractures, there are cases where delayed healing of pin sites can be observed. For instance, even 14 weeks post-surgery, you might see a lucent line at the pin insertion site, indicating delayed healing, which can be concerning. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it.